Welcome to McKim & Creed's new Baton Rouge office, located near the center of the city. I'm Kimberly Koehl, the Louisiana Group Manager. As our presence in Louisiana continues to grow, we're proud to announce the opening of our second office in the state, a reflection of our ongoing commitment to serving our clients and communities. From flood control and water wastewater engineering to natural gas, land surveying, and geospatial services, this new location enhances our ability to deliver innovative, sustainable solutions across the region. McKim & Creed's investment in this office shows our dedication to the people and infrastructure that make Louisiana unique. Come take a look. We look forward to many years of success and continued partnership here in Baton Rouge. Come and visit us sometime.